Okay, so Željko, we are now live. So do you want to start?
Hello guys, can you hear us okay? So I guess we can proceed, Lana, correct?
Yes, we can proceed.
Okay, sounds good. So thank you for joining us for today's presentations, and I'm just going to make a quick introduction before Vlado proceeds with showcasing the functionalities we have created for ChatGPT plugin, which will work seamlessly with SafuNet. All you have to do pretty much in order to set up SafuNet ChatGPT plugin is to go to ChatGPT's store. Please note that it's currently under review and it will be published within the next few days, I believe. 7 days tops. And after that, you'll be able to just click on it, log into the wallet, authorize ChatGPT, and start using it. So I guess that would be it in a nutshell when it comes to using the actual plugin, which will work with SafuNet. So I guess, Vlado, you can start showcasing the functionalities we have created for the plugin.
Yeah, sure. So Željko already told you how it will be regarding installation. So all you need to do is go in plugin store, and you will probably need to just type SafuNet, and when OpenAI approve the plugin, you will be able to find it here. So it's simple to get to this. You just go there and plugin store, and then this screen will open. After that, you will get some login screen like this, and all you need to do go OpenAI will show this login with SafuNet, and it will redirect you to SafuNet, and then you need just to approve the application. So application of the SafuNet can access this information through ChatGPT. So basically, this is standard OAuth process, and many bigger companies using this to authorize third-party application to access the resources. So we created our OAuth server, and that's how it's now possible. And we will be able to extend this not only on ChatGPT, but also on other applications. So I already have this plugin installed, as you see, so I will show you what it can do. So from description, you can see here it can do on-chain crypto swap and send. It can do Stripe on-ramp. It can also do management of account, contacts, tokens, and security as well. So let's start first by retrieving, for example, accounts. I can just write prompt, for example, get me all my accounts. So as you see now, ChatGPT understands that it needs to use plugin, and it's getting like my accounts from SafuNet. So as you see, there are two accounts. I have this Vladimir account and the Reflecto account, and we can also check, for example, what is my active account. So it will tell me in which account I am currently logged in. So as you see, it's like this one with 516C3, so it's this one, so Vladimir. So I can say, for example, now switch to second account. So also you can prepare, if you have any questions regarding this, you can ask, or if you want me to execute something, so you can tell me. Okay, so as you see now, I successfully switched to another account. Okay, let's say now I want to send, for example, let's first see how much I have on the first account, how much I have BNBs, let's say. How much BNBs I have on first account. Okay, so basically telling me that I have 0.47 BNBs. So keep in mind it's everything on the mainnet. This, and as you can see, it's also telling me how much it worth. And for example, now I can send. Let's first create contact. I can create contact, for example, create contact, let's say Željko, and I also can, for example, put some like address to this contact. So after that I will send some BNBs to my contact, but if you want, you can also send this directly to, for example, to specific blockchain address. But let's do, for example, send 0.1 BNB to Željko. As you can see now here, I have 0 BNBs. Regarding this sending, we introduced this new concept called reflect instructions. So I will show you how it's work now. So basically, ChatGPT will generate link, and this link you will be able to visit. And this is, for example, one reflect instruction. So you can see here ChatGPT generate following instructions: send 0.1 BNB to Željko. So first I will do just unlock my account. This is regular, this password wallet from SafuNet. And it will tell me like amount here and more information. And then I will need to confirm PIN. Just a second, I want to see which PIN is it. Is it 6793? Okay, so as you see, first step completed, and that's all. So I guess just a second, I think I will need to repeat. Maybe there was some issue. Just a second. Oh yeah, I am currently on the wrong account, so I need to switch on the first account which had BNBs actually. So switch to first account. I don't know that if this same link will work, or I need maybe to create new one. We will see now. Okay, I'll just refresh page. Sometimes there is like happening this with ChatGPT. You just need to refresh page to do things. Just slow. Okay, now it's switching to first account. Okay, and now I will try to do the sending. Okay, this is my PIN. And that's it. So basically you can see now the transaction is successfully executed, and you can also visit on BSC scan. As you see, it's all on the mainnet. And you can now check also in my MetaMask wallet. So it will probably soon arrive. I don't know how to refresh this, but you can just check, like I will copy the address and go here, and you can see here is 1 BNB, so that's all. What else we can do? We can also, for example, use directly buy tokens with credit card. For example, you can just write buy, I don't know, BNB for like 100 USD. And basically it will do the same work. It will create this reflector instruction. And after that you will be able to complete this buying with Stripe on the SafuNet. As you see now, create a new instruction. I will again unlock my wallet. And it will redirect me to the Stripe. So from here you will be able to complete the purchase. But as you can see, my country is not available currently, so I will not be able to complete this. This is all done on the Polygon, but there we created bridge which will then send BNB on BSC network. Currently only USA is supported for Stripe. So what else can be done? You can also search for different tokens. For example, let's say find ship token and tell me more info about it. Let's see what it will return. So as you can see, it now like searching more information about ship, and it's searching directly on the blockchain. So it's using DEX screener for that, and also our internal systems. You can see it's found contract address, it's found price, it's found like changes in different timestamp, market cap, and okay, let's try. Can you give me more info? And okay, let's try for now. Does this? So it can give a lot of details about different tokens, and you can basically query any token you want. Okay, and you can see we have also this security features. So it will basically tell you if it's honeypot, can this token be brought, can be sold, and things like that. And then it just give you more information about security of this token. Okay, so you can also then import token. For example, you can just say, can you please import this token? Okay. Okay, and you can see now Shiba Inu is successfully imported in my account, and we can also confirm it by going to SafuNet, and you will see it's already there. Okay, so here is Shiba Inu imported, and now, for example, we can buy some SHIB. Swap, for example, 0.01 BNB to SHIB. So for swapping token, it will do the same thing. So basically it will generate link, and then you just need to follow that link and do the transaction. So you can see swap that amount. Here is also expiration date. So each of these links have expiration date. So transaction needs to be done till this expiration till the expiration is not expired. So as you can see now, we have like amount in BNB and how much BNB will get. So we will complete transaction. So we should get like 31,000 of SHIB. And that's all. Basically, transaction is now on the BSC. And 31,000, that's all. What else we can show? I don't know. Let's see. You can also import, export token, like import contacts, export contract, delete contract, and basically everything what you can do with any crypto wallet. But this is just much more easier. I guess that's all for this demonstration, but if you have any questions or you want me to perform something on the ChatGPT, you can like write it down and I can do.
And I guess we can mention that actually this is the first ChatGPT plugin that integrates all of our wallets within their ecosystem, and all transactions happen on chain as well.
Yes, so basically this also application is included in our patent because it's any NLU which or artificial intelligence which communicate with blockchain directly. It's included in our patent. John, so basically you don't need the instructions because you can just write whatever. So like you can formulate you can formulate sentence as you want. For example, I don't know, you can say just create contact, then you can put just past address, and then you can formulate as you want. For example, this contact is for Vlad, and basically ChatGPT will extract information which it needs, and then it will create contact for you. So there is no any now instructions related for these prompts because you can formulate as you want and you will get what you need. Basically, when we're swapping BNB to SHIB, it doesn't use anything except BNB and SHIB. But if we, for example, would do like a swap BNB to RTO, I can do that as well. Then it will be using like RTO. For example, swap, I don't know, swap 0.1 BNB to RTO. So in this case it will, and keep in mind when this swapping happening, we're using in the background Supreme Swap, which means it will always give you the best rates. It basically scanning a lot of different decentralized exchanges, and then it giving you the best rate possible. So, and what is cool now, you can see there is a tax. Because the RTO have 4% tax, it will tell you that by tax is 4%, and it will tell you, for example, amount before tax, and you will see also how much you will get after tax. So I will complete this transaction. and that's all. So transaction is now on BSC scan. So you can see I put in 0.01 BNB, and you can see here this transaction is long because it's probably swapping between a lot of different dexes and then giving me amount as it writes, 1.5 billion RTO. Is there maybe any other questions? It basically creates utility for users of SafuNet, because you're basically getting the best rates when you're using Supreme Swap. And not that only you're getting the best rates when you're using Supreme Swap, but you're also getting the easiest way to swap. As you see, this is very simple. Just you can swap with regular language. You don't need to go through MetaMask, then going connecting, then going to approve this transaction, approve that transaction. Then so it's basically too complicated for beginner users, or even for more advanced users to use traditional DFI tools.
Yeah, it's definitely a hassle when you need to just go through many steps in order, let's say, to purchase crypto, where you can just do it with one sentence or one simple straightforward questions, and voila, you have crypto in your account.
Okay, we are here. If you have any requests to show you how this ChatGPT works, or like maybe some prompt that you want us to put inside the ChatGPT, so you can see for yourself how it can retrieve informations about accounts, about contacts, or tokens, or sending, swapping, maybe buying with Stripe or anything. Yeah, that's correct, because we have multiple these layers of protection. One is first standard authorization and authentication. On top of that, we have like a two-factor authentication, and also we have this Guardian also feature, which can tell you more about tokens. So you don't like go on some token which can like which is malicious. So yeah. Can it import token from other wallets? So basically you can just tell it find specific token. For example, find, I don't know, Doge, and you can, when it's find Doge, you can just say import please that token, and that's all. It can import any token. So basically like this, you can say find Doge token. Okay, what is interesting now, you can see it's also giving you a lot of useful information. For example, current price, volume, even liquidity. Liquidity is also very important to see if it's that token real or not. And then you can, it will just continue giving you information about Dogecoin from a lot of different decentralized exchanges. but I will stop it for now, and then I will ask, please import it to account. And that's all. So basically you can see Dogecoin has been successfully imported to your account. So it's basically that simple. We can. So basically we can also add these prompts so people can start. But as you saw, basically you can write anything, and it will always know what to do. You can just say, hey, import token, hey, delete token, show me my account, show me that and that, to find that and that token, or even send Doge to that person, and it will basically everything do, no matter how you formulate it. Regarding limit orders, we didn't add it yet, but we will soon create a new feature which will be called schedulers. So with schedulers, you will be basically able to schedule buy or sell, and everything will be done with supreme swap, which means it will give you the best rate, and it will then be completed on the chain. It will not use any centralized exchange or anything like that. So the question is, will you be selling lessing this technology to other DEXs? So basically, we will have this app connect feature, which other companies will be able to use. So they will be just able to create a new application on the SafuNet, and they will be able then to interact with this technology. Will it be able to short sell? I guess it will be able with this casual feature which we're working on. Okay, can you hear me? Can you just confirm, because I'm getting some notification that problem with internet or something. Željko, are you able to hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you okay. Can you hear me as well?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay.
Okay, is there any other questions, or maybe you want some additional demonstration on the ChatGPT side? Okay, that's great. Okay, for those who was just joining, I just want to show what we was doing. So basically, we first get all accounts, and this our plugin just lists us accounts. Then I show my active account. Then I switched account. Then I get my balance of BNBs. So it, as you see, I had like this amount of BNBs, which worth this amount, and then I created new contacts, and then I sent like 1 BNB to my contact. When you're sending or swapping tokens, it will generate like instruction. It is our new feature, which is called reflector instructions. And with this, you will be able to safely perform this sending or swapping tokens. What other? I also get more information about SHIP, for example, token, but you can use any other token. As you can see, it giving you very detailed information about token. Here is also we get additional security informations. You can also ask this plugin to tell you more about security about different tokens. Then we imported that token which we found. We imported inside the wallet, and we also then swap BNB to this token which we imported, and then we found another token and basically imported it again. So basically that's it. Question is, can you also make smart contracts? Currently, if you're asking if we can like create smart contract from this plugin, currently it's not possible, but maybe in the future we can create some feature like that as well. Could the link be auto-directed to SafuNet? Link be auto-directed to So basically, it is directed to SafuNet. It cannot be automatically done. It needs to be generated, and then user needs to click on it, because there is no currently option from ChatGPT to auto redirect you. And it can also, if there is possibility like that, it can be a security issue. So it's not possible. So like how Reflecto benefits from it. Basically, like through technology, I believe that we will get much bigger exposure, because, as you know, we are currently the first one to implement wallet inside the ChatGPT, and ChatGPT is pretty big application, you know. So I hope so we will get like bigger exposure, because this is big thing. What is difference using SafuNet to swap compared to swapping via Twitter prompts? This is not a Twitter prompt. This is from reflector instruction. That's how we call. The difference is this is faster way. Like for example, if you want to like using SafuNet, you need to go first to visit SafuNet, then to log in, then to find the page, then to find token which you want to swap and things like that. But here you just basically go to this application and just type one sentence, and that's all. And of course, this also giving us exposure to more users, since it will be inside the ChatGPT plugin store. Everyone will be able to install this plugin basically in seconds, and then start trading. we don't have any buyback. I mean, buyback and burn is integrated inside the RTO token. So basically, from trading, we're getting for buyback and burn. But yes, we have like regarding the ChatGPT, we don't have like directly like buyback and burn, but we have like in SafuNet when somebody listening, for example here, that we have like 10 billion RTO fee, which will be burned. So that's one way how we benefit from SafuNet. I mean, how RTO benefiting from RTO. So that's one way. Currently, the ChatGPT don't charge anything for being in the store. So if there is maybe in the future they want to charge, we can pay that fee. I don't think so that it will be too high. Yeah, so I am concerned about Solana trying to steal idea, and that's why we also wrote to them, and we also wrote blog post, and yeah, we will continue to protecting our patent. So as long as it takes, we will do anything what we can. Are there maybe any other questions regarding the plugin, or maybe you want some demonstration? So RTO should monetizing this feature for other companies and not distribute this technology for free. So I agree. That's why we also created this App Connect feature, where other companies will be able to create applications on the SafuNet, and they will be able to easily connect to our features. Great demo, thank you. Željko, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay, do you have maybe any idea or anything to say? What we can show maybe or anything?
I don't know. I think we have covered the most important aspects of the plugin. As Vlada has demonstrated for you guys, it's a very convenient option for you to send transactions via ChatGPT, and obviously it will benefit Reflect as a company, and it will give us exposure to people who use ChatGPT on a daily basis. So other than obviously useful functionalities, we also hope that that more people will find out about Reflect that way as well.
Yeah, I agree.
So yeah.
So I guess then we can conclude, right?
Do we have maybe additional questions?
Okay.
Yeah, I think if you don't have any more questions, I guess we can conclude this demonstration.
I see one question. Do you have
target? And obviously feel.
I see a question. Do you have target day for this technology to be released?
Well, like I said at the beginning of this demonstration, it will be released within the next, I think, up to 7 days the most likely. But
Yeah.
obviously, we are going to let you know via Telegram, Twitter, and Instagram as well. So
Yeah, we already
you will be
basically
notified
applied
in
for
due time.
plugin. We submitted to OpenAI plugin. We just need to wait maximum to 7 days, so they can approve it.
Yeah, as Vlada said, the plugin has been completed 100%. So it's just a matter of final approval from ChatGPT.
Okay, so I
Do
guess
we have more
there is
questions, maybe?
no questions. Maybe we can conclude, or let's wait a little bit. And
Yeah,
then...
I guess we can.
Mhm.
Mm-hmm. So you said that we can conclude the demonstration,
I
right?
guess that's all.
Okay. Okay. Sounds good. Thanks for your time, and we'll talk soon.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.